Okay, today I'm going to show you one of the best tea that releases or relieves maybe when you have cold, or when you have catarrh or flu. When you are consistent with this tea, it will clear your nasal, wherever, and cleanse the mucus out of your nose and the lungs and everywhere you are feeling the coldness. And it's also not harmful. It's good for children. I call it mint, mojaja, or scent leaf tea. This is very good for it boosts immune. It's very good for immune health, respiratory and cold support. Have you seen this? They do almost the same thing. Then also for people like blood sugar, this one can help you, but I don't want to go there. So when you have a child that the nose is blocked out of catarrh or flu, just boil this tea. You get it. If it's a child that you have introduced ginger to, you can add ginger. If that child, doesn't like ginger, you can do away with ginger. So you boil it. You have seen the way we've done it. We boiled here. Some are still boiling on fire. Okay, so look at the one already boiled. Have you seen it? Then you can put small quantity of lemon. So this is mint scent leaf tea. If you like honey, you put honey. If you don't like honey, you just take it. But if you want to put honey, don't put honey when it is hot like this. When you are using honey, don't put it when the thing is very hot, so that you don't destroy the nutrients in honey. So what I have put here is this mint leaves, properly washed, and the mojaja, then ginger and the lemon. When you watch, you will see some lemon cut and dropped in. So that is it. This is very good for your immune, very good for catarrh, for flu, for cold symptoms. Okay, so try it, and the rest, let me know, comments, questions. I'm available for you. Thank you for joining me again today.